Following the gazette of members of parliament and local government leaders elected during the general elections, courts began receiving electoral petitions challenging various election outcomes. Over 100 petitions have been filed in different courts across the country, covering both parliamentary and local government elections.
And as a judiciary, we have been preparing when the election cycle started and even prior. The latest, as of last week, we had the training for the justices of the Court of Appeal, because we know that petitions on appeal will go to the Court of Appeal for adjudication. So we have continued to prepare ourselves. We have ascertained now the numbers of files to be able, as a judiciary, to allocate resources.
Judiciary spokesperson James Mawanda says all judicial officers expected to handle electoral petitions have undergone specialized training.
We will also be informed that the Honorable Principal Judge has done her part, and the judges from different places, depending on the need, will be sent to different places to handle these matters. The fears that judicial officers are sent to specific places for specific reasons is not there. The only reason is adjudication of these cases. These are judicial officers who have taken judicial oath to administer justice without fear or favor. We have the time. We are committed to ensuring that we handle these matters within the prescribed time of 6 months. So there shouldn't be any worry.
The law requires courts to determine electoral petitions within 6 months from the date they are filed. In a separate development, convict murderer Okello Onyumu has lodged an appeal before the Court of Appeal, challenging the death sentence. Through his lawyers, Okello argues that the trial judge erred in non-fact by failing to properly evaluate the evidence presented before court. The appearance further contends that the judge failed to adequately assess medical evidence related to his medical status. Other grounds of appeal include claims that the sentence imposed was harsh. Basing on these grounds, Okello Onyumu has asked Court of Appeal to quash both the conviction and the sentence. The Judiciary has confirmed receipt of the appeal.
The Court of First Instance operates on different rules as the Court of Appeal. So the different rules may determine the modus operandi in the trial of the case on appeal. A convict who has a right to appeal. So people who are saying, why should he appeal? He should just be whatever. These are constitutional guarantees which everybody is entitled to.
Justice Alice Kauka sentenced Okello Onyumu to death after finding him guilty of murdering 4 children at Gaba Early Childhood Development Center. Deborah Namamonde, Viola Nance Subuga, UBC News.